Two's Deanne Roberts joins us now live from Georgetown County with more information. Deanne, we spoke with you about an hour ago and saw you being buffeted around by the wind. Give us an idea of how things look where you are at Wynyah Bay.
Well, Carolyn, it's the same. You can see the wind is still pushing me away, and even behind me, you can see this entire marshy area here is being blown away by the wind. These wind gusts, as Rob has mentioned, have gotten up to about 35, 40 miles per hour out here. So it is pretty windy. Now the rain, Carolyn, it's actually not that bad. It's kind of light rain out here while I'm out here, but I kind of want to show you how bad this wind has gotten. So you can see it's pushing me around. I'm not that big of a girl, but I mean, it's pushing me around. And this structure that looks like it kind of holds up signs, that literally just fell to the ground. And it was just like this really big boom. And we didn't know what it was, but things have kind of been thrown around here. Thankfully, I am at a boat landing, and most of the boats have cleared out. There are a couple boats still left here behind me off of Wynyah Bay, but not too many. There's one in the parking lot in front of us. But other than that, it's just us out here, some rain, and some really strong winds. Live in Georgetown tonight, Deanne Roberts, Count on 2.
And millions of people